Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. What's going on?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Great, thanks.
What's up, everybody?
What's going on?
How we doing?
What's up, bro?
What's up, Danny? Long time no see, man. Glad you're still alive.
Yeah, bro. Of course.
Hey, everyone. Happy Monday. What's happening?
I get too much sauce, that's why it be dripping out.
For my taxes, what do I need? Because my first sales were in December. What do I need to give my account?
December of 2021.
Yeah.
You would just give them whatever reporting Amazon provided you for the end of the year.
Where would I see that?
You can go into business reports. So that's one place you could start to get some information. You could also go into, well, not also, you're also going to want to go into reports and on the last one, tax document library. And that'll provide you your 1099 for the year there. You'll download that and it'll give you all the information.
All right, so where, Sebastian?
Reports, tax document library.
You saw that, Shirley?
And it's your 1099. You're a private contractor of Amazon. It'll have the number of transactions, the gross amount, your gross sales on Amazon, broken down by month, and the total for the year, the state you're in, and also your seller information will all be there. So that's what you'll get from Amazon for your gross pay. And then your expenses, you'll probably have them documented. If you don't, you could go into your business bank account, download those statements. You could go in your credit cards, get those statements as well, and any payments, any expenses that you paid to set up the business for the business could be used. Typically, a good accountant will tell you could take a portion of your home and consider that as office space and deduct some utilities, some cell phone, some car mileage, some of the space of your home and the mortgage could all be deducted as part of the business.
Thank you.
Sebastian, does this breakdown, because it'll be the first time for me as well. So in these breakdowns, does it actually break down like, this is what it sold at, this is what you would, the fees, the shipping, all of that, or will that all be there? I mean, it sounds like it should be, but there's all these third-party softwares that sounds like that they do all of that.
No, the fees won't be there, but this is what you'll just provide for the 1099. The fees. So basically, all your gross net proceeds, because it's not full net proceeds, but let's call it your net revenue, because that's after your Amazon expenses. That's what ends up in your bank account. So you could see those credits in your bank statement, and then all the debits you could see for all the expenses. As long as you're keeping things organized and not using your bank account for personal expenses, it'll be very easy for an accountant to be able to organize and see what your debits are and what your credits are.
Yeah, I kind of understand what you're saying, but also I'm coming from eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, all of that, where when I generate my reports, even if it's on a monthly basis, I'm able to generate, and it breaks it all down. What was the total for shipping? What was the total for taxes? What was the total for, the gross sale net, all of that. So this is new for me, coming to such a massive platform as Amazon, thinking the report would be generated like that, but it sounds like it's not.
It's not. No, it's just a 1099.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sebastian, there is a summary report. I just printed it out. I don't know where to get it at though.
You could see like a summary as far as sales summary from your payment, or you could even generate custom tax reports if you like. Sure.
There's a full report. Like it actually has like what your your gross revenue, your net income, your shipping, your fees. I'm looking for the report right now. My bookkeeper actually found it on Amazon. I can actually find out from her where she downloaded it, because she downloaded it and I have it for my CPA.
If you go to tax document library, it'll pop up underneath that. So
under the 1099K?
It says download 1099K. I just saw that just right now when I was looking at it.
Right. No, I'm talking about an actual report that breaks down what your fee, what Melinda was saying.
Well, if you look at payments, you could download that. That's going to have all your debits and credits from Amazon, all your settled. So I don't know if she's doing the statements, because that's what our accountant goes through. Our statements. You go to statements, you could download the flat files.
Yeah, no, this was like a PDF actually that had everything. I'll look really quick and see if I can find it.
It's the date range report under your payments, and then you just go to date range reports and you pick your date range and it gives you your PDF summary for the month.
That's it. Yeah.
Great call. Another great call. Appreciate all of you.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you got any questions, hit us in the Facebook group, and we'll see you all next week. Same time, same place.
Night all.
All right. Adios. Have a good evening.
Good night.
I'll see you at the top.
Good night, everyone.
Stay lit.